Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number A1114A key blank. The BE2 is their easy number, or the Ilco number. That's what the key blank looks like. This is obviously a best small format key blank. This is the A keyway. Best has a series of different keyways. They're standard materials, lettered. There may be 20 in the letter range of different keyways they have, A, B, C, and it goes through 2/3 of the alphabet pretty much. There are other key systems that they have. They're patented. Their security leg, their Cormacs, their peaks, that Best offers. Peaks would be a reference to Kaba, but Best has a key blank that features a couple of particular facets to it that gives it some high security or a greater secure level of security sort of feature. So this video is to bring you a closer look at this simple A keyway. This is going to be a nickel plated blank, okay, to give you a silver type of finish on the material. And there is below this video a milling profile. Now that milling profile is as if you are looking not at the tip of the key, but down into the cylinder. So if you're looking at the tip of your key, you'll want to flip that over in your mind's eye to determine whether or not this would be the appropriate key blank. Very nice quality key blank. I have used countless Kaba Ilco key blanks for Best systems. Will also feature the radius sort of end to the root of the key blank that's here, like the factory original. Okay. There's also a link below this video to the cut sheet. Let's switch this view to the screen view and take a look at that cut sheet. Now this is the item that we're looking at, and that milling profile is here, as we said earlier. Then there's that cut sheet, and that cut sheet is handy because it will show you all of the best key blanks that are available. However, it's just the one sheet that this blank shows up on. What would be possibly more valuable to you would be to, back on the manufacturer's page, click back on the item page, click on the link to the manufacturer's page as seen there, then look for a document called Key Blank Catalog and go ahead and fire that item up. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our part number and we're going to paste it, copy and paste, doing a find function within that document, and you'll get to where you'll find the key blank. It's currently on page 5 of section 2, which is the North American cylinder section. What's nice about the full catalog is it will show you all things Best key blank related. We were only missing a couple from our cut sheet, the R and the TB keyway. Okay. Very good quality. I can think of like only one funny key blank that we had that was clearly mismanufactured out of countless. The root, the blade height, the dimension from the bottom of the blade to the top of the blade was simply not correct. And the error was near the root of the key blank, so it wasn't cutting the depths correctly, obviously. So this catalog is really helpful to see what else Kaba Ilco makes, but it's also a document that operates as a cross-reference. And what I mean is, if you're looking for the 1A1A1, that's going to be a reference to a look-alike key blank number that this manufacturer has. So they have the bow that is certainly going to be what you would expect to see from Best, but then they have this look-alike style, which is this 1A1A1, and if you're familiar with Best part numbers, you're going to know that that certainly sounds like a Best part number. And the look-alike section that they have in section 4B is going to give you more of the features that you expect to see on an original Best blank, especially the stamp duplication prohibited. So if we go back and get our original search term, and find all of the other times where it shows up, it shows up mostly in these cross-reference document part of the catalog near the end. So if you're looking for, let's say, I'm searching by the best part number here. If you are looking for, let's say, what the original best key blank number is, well, it is indeed the 1A1A1. So it's a cross-reference from the ILCO to the manufacturer original. But then it will also allow you to cross-reference to other manufacturers of key blanks. Chicago and Curtis, Dominion, ESP, ILCO EZ. This is a conversion to the ILCO EZ number. You know, it's a short version of the long part number. Jet, Orion. I think all of these people are still in business. Orion, Star. I'm not sure if Star's still in business. I believe that they're not. So the point of the matter is, if you have a Star key blank number, a 6BE1, and you're like, well, I need the Kaba Ilco version, this cross-reference is really handy. And you'll just perform that find function on your keyboard and be able to come up with it. Okay. So very handy document. Let's switch back to the screen view and finish up this video. Now to wrap up this video, what we're looking at is the link below this video to the manufacturer's page that will allow you, as you saw earlier, to get to not only that key blank catalog, but other useful documents like the brass cylinder manual. That's there. A link to the manufacturer's website is there. You'll be able to review all of the other Kaba Ilco blanks that we sell, all of the other Kaba Ilco items. They, of course, have a full line offering of key machines as well. I don't think I own a Kaba Ilco key machine, but I have historically the typical 044 machine. The blade height, 0.322, 0.322. This, of course, being small format, it is tip stopped, and that tip stop is right there. Okay, you'll be able to cut your 5, 6, or 7 pin. Yes, 5 pin does exist in the world of best, but you'll see 6 and 7 pin pretty routinely, obviously. Okay, nice quality item. Any questions on the Kaba Ilco A1114A, a keyway, nickel-plated key blank from Kaba Ilco, or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.